Welcome to online digital classes. Students, today I brought an interesting math topic for you. Before entering into the topic, let's take a look what we are going to learn in this session. By the end of today's class, you are going to learn introduction to integers, comparison of integers, and addition and subtraction of integers using and without using number line. Students, observe these numbers. What do you call these numbers? Yes, you are correct. These are called negative numbers. Can you give some daily life examples where these negative numbers are used? I will give you some examples where we use negative numbers. Let's look at the first example. Observe here, this is a city, Jaisalmer from Rajasthan. Do you know this city? One of the hottest cities in India. I tried measuring temperature of the city on a fine day, and I observed that the temperature measured is 51 degrees centigrade above zero. Now let's go to another city, Hyderabad from Telangana. I tried measuring the temperature of this city also on a particular day, and the measurement shown is 34 degrees centigrade above zero. And let's move to another city, Kufri from Shimla, one of the coolest places in India. Do you know that? I tried measuring the temperature on a particular day here also, and I observed the temperature as exactly 0 degrees centigrade. And look here, this is one another coolest cities in India, SIET from Ladakh. I tried measuring the temperature here also, but the temperature has shown below zero, roughly 30 degrees centigrade below zero. Okay, let us review all the measurements that I have taken in a single frame. Look here, 51 degrees centigrade above zero, 34 degrees centigrade above zero, 0 degrees centigrade, and 30 degrees centigrade below zero. The word above zero can be replaced by the positive symbol, and we usually keep the positive symbol in front of the number, and this will be the plus 51 degrees centigrade, briefly 51 degrees centigrade. And then next, this above zero also replaced by positive symbol, and this is kept in front of the number 34 degrees, thus it is plus 34 degrees, briefly 34 degrees centigrade. And 0, this is neither negative nor positive, so we write 0 degrees centigrade as simply 0 degrees centigrade itself. And the word below 0 usually replaced by negative symbol, and we keep this negative symbol always in front of the number, thus this is minus 30 degrees centigrade. And this is one example where we use negative integers. Let's take a look at one another example. Observe, students, there are 3 boys. The first boy has 100 rupees with him. How do we represent this 100 rupees in numerical form? Simply rupees 100. That means this boy has rupees 100. Well, the second boy, but this boy has no money with him, so we represent that in numerical form as rupees 0. And come to the third boy. Like the second boy, this third boy also don't have money, but he borrowed money, say rupees 100 from his friend, thus he got 100 rupees from his friend. This is borrowed money. Now, how to represent this borrowed money in numerical form? Is it rupees 100? No. We must make sure that we should show little sort of difference between the first boy and the third boy. First boy, rupees 100 is his own earning money, so we represented with rupees 100. But coming to the third boy, this 100 rupees is not his own money, this is borrowed money, and this borrowed 100 rupees is denoted by rupees minus 100. This is one another example where we use negative integers in our daily life. Thus, there are so many daily life situations where we use negative numbers. And now let's see whole numbers that you have already learned in your previous classes. Whole numbers is a collection of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite numbers. And usually we don't write infinite numbers. This infinite numbers is replaced by dots. The dots represents that these numbers are continuously spreading over on right side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, these numbers are positive numbers, and 0 is neither negative nor positive. And students, what do you call this group if we include negative numbers into this group? Yes, you are correct. They are called integers. You have learned already about integers in your previous class. And today in this session, we are going to learn about integers, comparison of integers, and addition, subtraction of integers using number line and without using number line more in detail. So, integers are the collection of positive numbers and negative numbers, and here comes our hero, Mr. 0. He is non-negative and non-positive. Integers are denoted by the letter I, and mostly we use, instead of I, we use the letter Z. Wait, where comes this Z from? Yes, Z comes from the word Zahlen. Zahlen is a German word which is a synonym to integers. Thus, most of the cases we use the letter Z instead of I. Before learning about integers, representation of integers on number line, let us take a look at number line of whole numbers. On the number line of whole numbers, we start from 0, thereafter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. To this number line, we include negative numbers to the left side of 0. Thus, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to infinity. These numbers lies on the left side to 0, and this whole representation and this number line is now the number line of integers. Let us understand integers on number line. Look here, this is the number line of integers, and 0 lies in the middle position of the number line. To the right side of this 0, all those numbers are positive integers, and to the left side, these are negative integers. And students, when you are coming from left to right, the value of the integers increases, and similarly, if you come from right to left, the value of the integers decreases. Let us compare randomly any two integers on the number line, and remember this code, left means less. That means the number that is lying on the left side is always a lesser number compared to the right side number. Here I selected randomly two numbers 1 and 2. 1 lies left side to 2. 1 is left side to 2, and I told you already left means less. So 1 is less than 2. Let's select another pair of numbers on this number line. Let it be minus 4 and minus 1, and this minus 4 also lies left to minus 1. And what do you say? left number is the lesser number, so minus 4 is less than minus 1. And let's select another pair, minus 5 and 0. And similarly, this minus 5 also lies left side to 0, and left number is always a lesser number. Minus 5 is less than 0. Now let us compare minus 500 and 0. Wait, where is minus 500 on the number line? This is such a big negative number. Usually we write the numbers on the number line up to very few numbers. Then how to compare these two numbers now? For this, observe here, we must first check whether this minus 500 lies right side to 0 or left side to 0. We must check it first. And you know that minus 500 is a negative number, and negative number always lies left side to 0, and left number is always the less number. Thus minus 500 is left side to 0, hence it is less than 0. Now let us compare this pair of numbers minus 17 and minus 38. Both are negative integers, and now these both numbers are not seen on the number line. Then how do you compare these negative integers now? And to compare these two negative integers, we must check it out first whether minus 17 lies right side to minus 38 or left side to minus 38. Let's draw the number line again. Take 0 at its position, and now when we move from 0 to its left side, which number we get first, minus 17 or minus 38? What number we do face first when we are moving from 0 towards its left side? Imagine that there is a person started walking from 0. After 17 steps of walk towards its left side, he reaches to negative 17. Proceeding in this way, after few steps, he reaches to minus 38. Now is it clear, students, that minus 17 lies right side to minus 38. That means as minus 17 lies right side to minus 38, and already we discussed it, left side numbers are less numbers, right side numbers are greater numbers. Thus minus 17 is greater than minus 38. We shall look into ascending and descending order of integers. Here we have some integers in disorder. Minus 4, minus 2, 5, 0, 3, 1. They are not in order. What we are going to do? Let us arrange them in ascending order. Minus 5, minus 2, 5, 0, 3, 1. To arrange them in ascending order, let's introduce number stairs. It is better convenient to represent them in ascending and descending order on number stairs. On number stairs, first 0 will be kept at its place. 0 comes and sits at its place. Thereafter, now it is minus 4. You know that minus 4 is a negative number, and it always lies 4 steps down to 0. Next it is minus 2, and minus 2 should be 2 steps down to 0 because it is a negative number. Now what numbers comes next? It is 5. As it is a positive number, it should lies above 0, and it is 5, so it lies 5 steps above 0. Next it is 3. 3 is also a positive number, so 3 also lies 3 steps above 0. And here comes our last digit 1. 1 is also a positive number, and it also lies above 0, and it lies just 1 step above 0. When you come from bottom to top, that order will be the ascending order. Suppose if you come from top to bottom, this order will be the descending order. Now you are asked to write only ascending order, So we shall write ascending order. Take these numbers in order on a horizontal display. So this order is the ascending order. Now we have some more integers. These integers are also in disorder, and let us arrange them in descending order now. Let's represent these numbers on a number line. First it is -7. Indicate -7 on the number line. Where is -7? Here is -7. Now indicate 4 on the number line. Where is 4 on the number line? Here it is. Now 6. Here it is 6. Like that 2, and it is -1 next, and it is 10 finally. So first we denote these numbers on the number line. After this, if you take this order from left to right, this is the ascending order, and if you come from right to left, that will be the descending order. And you are asked to write the descending order now. So descending order will be written like this. Come from right to left. What number you get first? 10, next 6, next 4, next 2, and next -1, and it is -7 finally. This is the descending order. Okay students, you have learned how to compare integers. Now let us see how we add and subtract integers using number line and without using number line. Are you ready? Let's go. So integers addition and subtraction. Now we are going to learn using number line and without using number line. So addition and subtraction using number line. Let's take one example. Addition 7 plus -4. We do this addition on the number line. So for that, first locate this number 7 on the number line first. Our duty is to locate this 7 on number line first. Here it is. Now we start from 7. We may go to right side direction or left side direction from 7. Okay, to make it little funny, a monkey is ready at the position 7. The monkey got a doubt. Now in which direction the monkey has to move? To its left or to its right? To clarify the doubt of monkey, let us take a look at rules of addition on number line. There are 2 rules for addition. Rule number 1 says, if we are adding a negative integer, then we should move left side. Or if you are adding a positive integer, then we should move right side. This is simple. Now look, what number we are adding in this question now? It is -4. It is a negative integer. So this is a negative integer. So clearly we should move left. So tell our monkey to go to its left side. Wait. The direction is fixed, okay. But how many steps it should go on left side? To get it, look here. As this is 4, monkey has to move towards its left side 4 steps. Thus it reaches to the digit 3. 3 is the answer. Let us look at subtraction problem. -4 minus of -2. Let us take a separate number line. And as usually, just similar to the first problem, we locate this -4 on the number line first. Here it is. And our monkey is also ready with its position. And the same doubt this monkey has got. In which direction it has to move? Towards its right or its left? To clarify this, we have 2 rules again to the subtraction also. And the first rule says, subtracting a negative integer, then move right. And if you are subtracting a positive integer, then move left. Did you observe? These 2 rules are quite opposite to the rules of addition. Now let us see what number we are subtracting. It is -2, which is a negative integer. Thus this monkey has to move towards its right side, and by how many steps? 2 steps. So the monkey has started and reached to the number -2, and here answer is -2. Students, we have seen 2 rules for addition, 2 rules for subtraction. Is it quite confusing? Don't worry, I give you a clarification and easy code to remember these rules. If you can remember the first rule, you can automatically able to remember the second rule and the 2 rules of the subtraction also, because subtraction rules are opposite to the rules of addition. Now observe carefully the first rule. The first letters of the important words are highlighted, and if you put these letters together, these letters form the name of a boy, Anil. Here A stands for adding, N stands for negative, and I stands for integers, and L stands for left. That means adding negative integers, move left. That's it, very simple. Okay, let's do addition and subtraction without using number line. For this I introduce 2 different kinds of coins, a positive coin and a negative coin. A single positive coin represents +1 and single negative coin represents -1. Suppose if you take 2 positive coins, it will be 2 positive ones, simply +2. If you take 2 negative coins, it is 2 negative ones, simply -2. If you take 3 positive coins, that will be 3 positive ones, briefly +3, and similarly 3 negative coins, 3 negative ones, -3. And remember this important relation, positive and negative coins together gives nothing, 0. Now let us take a problem. 5 plus -3. Here 5 means 5 positive ones, +1 +1 +1 +1, that means 5 positive coins, and -3 means -1 -1 -1, that is 3 negative coins. And let us take a basket. As the addition is nothing but putting together, and these positive coins and these negative coins we keep inside the basket, thus the coins are kept inside the basket. Are you observing? And here look at this combination. This is a negative positive combination, and we know that this is 0, and this is also another negative positive combination, and this is also 0, and this is another negative positive combination, this is also 0, and zeros can be neglected from the basket. And what coins are left in the basket? +1 and +1, that is +2, and here is our answer, +2. Let's go on for another addition problem. -4 plus 3. -4 means 4 negative coins, +3 means 3 positive coins, and let us take a basket, and this is also addition problem. We must keep these 4 negative coins and these 3 positive coins into the basket. Let us keep the coins into the basket. Yes, they are ready. Now again you observe this combination. This is a positive negative combination and becomes 0, and this is also a positive negative combination, this also becomes 0, and again the same thing, positive negative combination becomes 0, and zeros can be neglected, and what left in the basket? -1, and here is our answer, -1. Do the subtraction problem on the without using number line. Let us take an example. 7 minus of -4. Here -4 is being subtracted from 7, and subtraction means removing. That means from a basket containing 7 positive coins, we are going to remove 4 negative coins. What? How can we remove 4 negative coins? There are no negative coins in the basket. Cool. I give you the clarity. We shall keep 4 zeros in the basket, and You know that positive negative combination is 0 or 0 is positive negative combination, and we replace 0 with positive negative combinations. Similarly, other zeros also replaced by positive negative coins. Now your basket has 4 negative coins, and we can remove them from the basket. And what are the coins left in the basket? It is 11 positive coins. Thus the answer is 11. Yes. Now look at this mixed example problem. This problem has addition part as well as subtraction part. First we do this addition part. 5 means 5 positive coins, and 3 means negative 3 means negative coins, 3 negative coins. We as usually arrange them into the basket. And now negative 4 means remove 4 negative coins. Again the same question. There are only 3 negative coins in the basket. How can remove 4 negative coins? Just keep 0 into the basket, and this 0 is replaced by negative positive coins. Do you observe, students? We got 4 negative coins in the basket now. Let us remove 4 negative coins. Now, how many coins left in the basket? 6 positive coins are left in the basket. And the answer is 6. And students, you try yourself these following problems. 6 plus minus 2, negative 5 minus negative 2, negative 2 minus negative 4 plus 5. Without using number line and without using number line, you solve these problems. For better understanding of the concepts, solve the worksheets. And please visit the official website of SIET for worksheets. Okay students, today you have learned very well about comparison of integers, addition and subtraction of integers using number line and without using number line. We will meet in the next session with another interesting integers topic.
స్టాఫ్ సెలక్షన్ కమిషన్లో